Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's vlog, we are doing shaving cream cornstarch activity. But before we get started, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So, all you need is shaving cream, cornstarch, and a bucket that can kind of like this.
Wide enough to put your hands in.
Wide enough to put your hands in.
Okay, let's do the shaving cream first.
Okay.
Okay, you get one.
And I get one.
You sit right here. Scoot over a little bit. Okay.
You just shave in there.
Can you see? Yep. Okay.
Daddy, I got it.
Okay, that's a lot. Okay, let's give it a stop. We need a bigger bucket, don't we?
Do not eat shaving cream. It is not food. You guys don't eat it.
No.
It's very bad for you.
Now we're gonna add cornstarch. What do you think this is gonna do?
I wonder.
Yeah.
I don't want to get near it just in case it does something.
Oh, no. It's just gonna make a mess.
So it's gonna weigh it down?
Yeah.
So that's the experiment.
Now, you can put your hands in it.
Goodness.
Easy. You want to get some more cornstarch? More cornstarch?
Ah, oops. I get it. So, what is this making again?
This is gonna make a Play-Dough.
We're making Play-Dough?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. So this is really gonna make Play-Dough.
That's the plan.
It feels like Play-Doh. It doesn't really start it. I think the whipped cream feels more like it, or the shaving. Come on, hands. Do our hands. We're making a lot of Play-Doh.
What's it feel like?
Feels kind of like we're making slime, but messy. But a little drier.
Hit the back of that.
If it's
You have a
turning.
good angle.
We're gonna have a lot of Play-Doh. Ah, look at this.
You can kind of make balls out of it now.
No, you can't.
Roll it in there.
Wow.
Okay, so don't eat this. This is not Play-Doh food. We're making just regular Play-Doh to play with. We already got tons. We're making tons of Play-Doh. And now we're making more. Don't do it on a nice coffee table. Do it on more of like a craft table that's not that good. But don't do it on a nice coffee table. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Like we choose here because it's wooden and we do crafts on it. And we paint on it. That stuff. This smells really creamy. I think we added a little too much shaving cream. Like,
Look at my hands.
I don't know if we're actually making it or not, because it feels like whipped cream.
Mom, we need more of that.
What do you need more of?
Cream.
Cornstarch.
The cornstarch or the
I'm
shaving
thinking
cream?
more shaving cream.
We have a lot of. Oh my goodness! I'm so gonna sleep in this.
Look at
And
that.
don't wear your favorite clothes or it will be so messy.
Don't wear this stuff to bed or like around the place. It's just so messy.
Well, it is fun. Daddy, this feels like real Play-Doh. We need a container for that to put this Play-Doh in.
Oh yeah, we need a big container. And then we're gonna like divide it into small pieces.
It feels like we're making slime, but instead of like
Doing slime.
making slime, you're making Play-Doh.
I can't believe you just moved cornstarch and shaving cream.
Yeah, so easy.
See how it falls apart? Comes apart really easy?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what yours does?
Mine does it too.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
I think that's what it's supposed to. It's like we're making pizza dough.
Yeah, it is.
But you can't eat it.
Pizza dough is actually harder than this.
We're making pasta.
Or a noodle.
Or
Pretend we're making bread in this white dough.
so this is our shaving cream and cornstarch Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
It's been a fun experiment to do with the kids. They seem to like it. They seem to have fun. It creates a mess. We'll clean up later. It feels like Play-Doh.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye.